Hello students, welcome once again in the session of online classroom. In my last lecture, I was telling you the use of determiners and I have also taught you how some and any are applied in the sentence. We have seen example as well as I have given you some exercises to do by yourself. Today, we are going to study some more rules related to determiners. Today, I am going to teach you about the use of different type of determiners, starting with much and many. You know, much and many convey the same meaning, jada. Means both are applied for the same sense, but they are applied differently. You know that there are two types of noun. The first one is countable and the second one is uncountable. So in condition of uncountable noun, if we have to make it clear that the things available there is a lot of in quantity, then we will have to apply much, क्योंकि much का काम क्या है, मात्रा दिखाना. That's why it is applied with uncountable noun in the sense of ज़्यादा. And on the other hand, many is used for countable noun. Now you can see the example of much here. In rainy season there is blank water in river. Now there is water, we cannot count it, we can measure it in only quantity. That's why in rainy season you can see the rivers are over flooded, so there is much water in the river. Now the second example, she has blank time to do her work. Now time is also an uncountable noun. That's why if it is large in quantity, we will have to apply much here. Now see the use of many. Many denotes the same meaning, means jada. It is also used for the same meaning jada, but it is applied with countable noun, means it shows numbers, and that's why we will have to apply it with countable noun. For example, I have blank friends in my school, so we can count friends. That's why we will have to apply many here. Okay, now see the use of little and few. Little and few convey the sense of less, means कम. कोई सी चीज़ कम हो. ज़्यादा थी, हमने अप्लाई किया मच और मैनी, बट व्हेन द थिंग्स इज लेस इन नंबर और क्वांटिटी, we will have to apply little or few. Now we have the same rule. Little is applied with uncountable noun because it shows quantity. When the things is less in number, थोड़ा न के बराबर वाली स्थिति है, then we will have to apply little. For example, she is poor, she has blank money to get by. Get by means होता है गुजारा करना. So being a poor, she has very less money, and now money is an uncountable word, means we can count rupees and paise, but money cannot be counted. That's why we will have to apply here she has little money to get by. Now see few. Few means thoda. The same sense like little, but it is applied with countable noun because it shows number of the thing. For example, I am new in this city, so I have blank friends here. Now friends is a countable noun, and being a new, the person has very less friends. That's why we will have to apply few here. because we can count friends. Now I am going to tell you the use of a little and a few. To understand the use, I am going to show you some picture because pictograph is an easy way to express or to convey the clear sense, the real sense of a little and a few. देखो a little और a few का मतलब क्या होता है? कम. कम मीन्स न तो ज़्यादा और न ज़्यादा कम. मीन्स इसको ज़्यादा सही तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं कि कम से तो ज़्यादा होता है और ज़्यादा से कम होता है. नाउ टू clear my statement, I am going to tell you the things one by one. See, there is 3 pictures here. There is 3 pictures. The first one is full of water. So it is full of water means we can say there is much water in the pot. Now in second you can see there is water but it is not full of. And in third condition you can see there is water but it is very little. It is just in the bottom of the picture. So we can say it is little and first one is much. But in the middle there is water. It is neither little nor much. न तो ये बहुत कम है और ना ही ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. So in such condition we will say it is a little. जब कोई सी चीज़ न तो बहुत कम हो और न बहुत ज़्यादा हो, मतलब बीच की अवस्था में हो, तो ऐसी कंडीशन में हमें ए लिटिल अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. कब? व्हेन इट इज़ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. एंड इफ इट इज़ काउंटेबल वी विल हैव टू अप्लाई ए फ्यू. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल. A little means thoda. It shows quantity and so it is used with uncountable noun. A little means thoda. Thoda means quantity. It is showing the quantity of things. That's why it is used with uncountable noun. For example, there was blank water in the pot. The crow dropped some pebbles in it. Now you might have studied the story of Thirsty Crow, in which there is a crow that come across to a pitcher in a garden with a little water. Not little. Now see the use of few. A few means thoda, but it shows number. That's why it is applied with countable noun. For example, I have blank books on this subject. Now books can be counted and if it is less in number we will have to apply a few. Okay, now see the use of the few and the little. When quantity or number becomes definite, when we know very well that the quantity or number is less, but when it becomes definite, then we will have to apply the few or the little. For example, see, the little means निश्चित थोड़ा. When quantity of uncountable noun becomes definite. For example, the cat had drunk blank milk the pot had. Means here we are talking about that particular milk that is in the pot. And in the pot there is little milk, but that little has become definite because we are talking about a particular quantity of milk the pot contained. Okay, that's why we will have to apply the little. And now the few. The few means निश्चित थोड़ा. when the number of countable nouns become definite. When the number of countable nouns become definite. For example, I had spent blank rupees I had in my pocket. Now here I am talking about that particular rupees which I had in my pocket. That's why there are few rupees in my pocket, but they have become definite here. That's why we will have to apply the few. Okay, I think you might have got each and every rule that I have taught to you today. Okay, thank you.